Hello students, so this is your next video on the chapter decimals, and in this video I am going to teach you multiplication of decimals. I have already explained you how to multiply the decimals, पर मैं एक बार रिवाइज कर देती हूँ सारी चीज़ें. You have to remove the point and simply perform the multiplication as the standard multiplication. Then you have to count the number of decimal places, at how many decimal places are there in all the numbers which you have multiplied. Total जितने भी नंबर आपने multiply किए हैं. So you have to give the decimal place in the answer according to the result. जितने भी आपके decimal place count करने के बाद आए हैं उसी के according you will give the decimal point in your result. Now I will be solving some questions from exercise 3C which will make you to understand the multiplication more clear. So I will be solving question number 7. जो मैं options skip करती जा रही हूँ, the options which I am skipping in the video, all those options will be your homework, and whatever I am solving in the video, that will be your classwork. See, I used to daily mention that classwork and homework in the video also. So I request all of you, please watch the video and do not ask from your class teachers that what is classwork, what is homework. You can ask if you have some problem, but try to be more clear. So the first question which I am going to solve is 1.2 का whole square. This question is of evaluate. 1.2 का whole square means you have to multiply 1.2 2 times. अगर इसकी पावर 3 होती तो 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करते, 4 होती तो 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू, जैसे नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है तो रिमूविंग द पॉइंट इट विल बी 12 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12, दैट इज 144. नाउ वी हैव टू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल प्लेसेस. तो डेसिमल के बाद यहाँ एक नंबर है और यहाँ एक नंबर है. टोटल वी हैव 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस. सो फ्रॉम द एक्सट्रीम राइट टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट 1 2 दो नंबर हमने काउंट किए, फिर हमने डेसिमल पॉइंट लगा दिया. तो दिस इज द आंसर. Now first I have done. I am skipping option number 2. Now I am going to solve option number 3. It is 0.04 की power 2 to the power of 2. So 2 means I have to multiply it 2 times. इसको 2 बार multiply करना होगा. तो 4 4 सा क्या होता है? अगर हम decimal point हटा दें तो there are 2 4s. तो 4 4 सा 16 होता है. What it is? 16. But we have to count what? Number of decimal places. So count the number of decimal places. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then put a point and write like this. So this is your answer of question number 7. I have skipped option number 2, option number 4. तो ये दोनों options आपके homework copy में होंगे solve. Now I am going to solve the next question, that is question number 8. I hope you all of you have noted down the information. आपने note कर लिया होगा. That is why I am erasing it. Now question number 8 is also of evaluate. Evaluate. Now the option which I am going to solve is option number 2. So option number 2 says that 0.05 to the power of 3. 3 लिखा है तो हमें कितनी बार multiply करना होगा? We have to multiply it 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Now 5 को जब आप decimal पूरा remove कर देते हैं तो you all can see that there are 3 5s. So 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. What is the answer? 125. Now the second step. हमने अभी बिना decimal के इसको multiply कर दिया. Now what is the second step? Count the number of decimal places. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many decimal places are there? 6 decimal places. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now अब यहाँ पे आप point लगाएंगे. Then 1 0. Then this is your answer. We have covered 6 decimal places. Now I will be solving option number 3 of this question. And option number 3 is 1.5 to the power of 3. So 1.5 to the power of 3 means 1.5 multiplied how many times? 3 times. So 15 multiplied by 15 is 225, and 225 multiplied by 15 is 3375. Now count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here I am going to place the decimal point. Now I will be solving the word problems of this exercise. अब word problems में भी जो क्वेश्चन मैं skip करती जाऊंगी वो आपके homework होंगे. So you have to do those questions in your homework copy. And the questions which I am solving in the video will be your classwork. So first question is question number 9. So firstly I will read the question for you. A bus can cover 62.5 kilometer in 1 hour. How much distance can it cover in 18 hours? तो एक घंटे में बस 62.5 किलोमीटर कवर कर रही है. तो we have to find out how much the bus is covering in 18 hours. So the first statement will be distance covered in 1 hour. Distance covered by the bus in 1 hour. एक घंटे में कितना कवर किया बस ने? 62.5 किलोमीटर. Now in the question what it is asked? Distance covered by the bus in how many hours? 18 hours. एक घंटे का आपको बताया और आपसे 18 hours का पूछा है. That means the value of 1 is given to you and more is asked. जब एक का बता के ज़्यादा का पूछा जाए, what we have to do as per the unitary method? We have to multiply because m as in more and m as in multiply. तो यहाँ पे आपका डेसिमल नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है और डेसिमल नंबर विद अ होल नंबर. तो फर्स्टली हम पॉइंट को रिमूव करके नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो द आंसर विल बी 11250, that is 11,250. But the second step is we have to count the number of decimal places. So there is one decimal place. तो मैं एक नंबर के पहले पॉइंट लगाऊंगी. So the answer will be the bus will cover 1,125 kilometers of distance in 18 hours. So this is the answer of question number 9. Please note down, students. Now I am going to solve question number 11. Question number 10 मैंने छोड़ दिया. I have skipped. So that will be your homework. You have to do in homework copy. So question number 11 says that a tin of oil weighs, a bag of wheat weighs 97.8 kg. How much wheat is contained in 500 such bags? Now what is the weight of one wheat bag? Weight of one wheat bag. The weight of one wheat bag is 97.8 kg. Now ऐसे 500 bags का कितना weight होगा? Weight of 500 such wheat bags. ऐसे 500 wheat bags का क्या weight होगा? तो एक का बताया है, 500 का पूछा है. What we have to do? We have to multiply because m as in more and m as in multiply. तो जब आप इसे multiply करेंगे, what will be the answer, students? When 97.8 will be multiplied by 500, the answer will be, मैं आपके लिए यहाँ पे multiply कर देती हूँ. 978 को 5 से multiply कर देंगे. 5 8 का 40, 5 8 का 35, 35 plus 4 39, 5 9 का 45, 48. So 4890 तो आपका आंसर आ गया. प्लस 2 जीरो इसमें और ऐड होंगे क्योंकि ये 2 जीरो मैंने एक्सक्लूड किए थे. नाउ एक नंबर पे डेसिमल पॉइंट है. देयर इज वन डेसिमल प्लेस, तो हमारा पॉइंट यहाँ आएगा. सो द आंसर विल बी 48900. दैट मीन्स 48,900 kg is the weight of 500 such bags. Okay students, now I will be solving question number 13. I hope you have noted down question number 11. Question number 12 मैंने छोड़ दिया है. So question number 12 is your homework. Now I am going to solve question number 13. So firstly I will read the question for you. A small bottle holds rupees 0.845 kg of sauce, यानी कि 845 grams. How much sauce will be there in 72 such bottles? ऐसी 72 bottles में कितना sauce होगा? Right students? So we have to solve this and this is the last question of this video. So what is the weight of one bottle? एक bottle में कितना sauce हो रहा है? weight of sauce in 1 bottle. एक बॉटल में जो सॉस आ रहा है वो है 0.845 kg, that means by 845 grams. Now weight of sauce in how many such bottles? 72 such bottles. आपसे एक बॉटल का बताया है और 72 बॉटल्स का पूछा है. You have asked for more. आपको एक का बता के ज्यादा का पूछा है. So what you have to do? 0.845 multiplied by 72. Now when I will be multiplying it, the answer will be, मैं आपको यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करके दिखा रही हूँ. 845 को मैं 72 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 8s are 16, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 4s are 28, 31, 7 8s are 56 and 3 59. जब हम इसको ऐड करेंगे 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4, 1 carry, here it will be 8, here it will be 10. So 60840 हमारा आंसर आया. Now what we have to do? We have to count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 60.840 kg. The weight of 72 such bottles will be 60.840 kg. So students, that's all for today. These questions you have to do in your classwork copy, and the options which I have skipped and the questions which I have skipped are your homework. So you have to do those questions in your homework copy. And if you have understood the video, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.